Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set up a health details profile on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, then in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Health. So tap on Health. Next, tap on Health Details in Medical Details. In here, you can tap on Edit button to make any changes to the text field here. So you can change first name, last name, date of birth, sex, blood type, and skin type. So here you can change the blood type, you can set a skin type. So we got type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can choose whether you need wheelchairs or not. So choose not set, no, yes. And that's it. Once you're done, tap on the done button at the top to save the changes. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.